How you doing? So I have this information about the zoning that I have to send. Primarily about this part, which is the natural gut. So if you could send me an email, then I could send you that. So when I was talking about was meaning a gut, I'd use a wrong word. So somewhere in here, there's a natural gut. So we have to see how we're going to put the drainage so that can drain, right? So that's one point. Next point is the entrance. So I would like to see this option. So I think I sent it to you, I'm not sure. So I'm going to send that to you. I want to see the entrance like this. And also the road, like all of this is not necessary. I want you to stop at the 150 line, 150 meter line. Can you stop the road there? Yeah. So that's the second point. Then I would like to see, I think you had this version. I think you made this, but the issue I have with this is, let me see if I could zoom in here, is like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know which line it is, if you have the correct line. But I see you have this option. So this road, let the version with this, just put it right here along this line here. And of course update this to stop at the 150 meter line. So all of this could come out. I don't know where it is exactly, but you'll see it in the drawing. And then also look at the natural gut. I showed it to you on where is it? On here. I think it's somewhere here where you see the contour lines indicating I think here and here. So make a way for the gut to channel that water that will be coming down. Yeah. So those are the points. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Oh yeah, and also, so when you cut the road, can you do a cut and fill analysis of the road for especially for this part that's going up in the hill? Yeah. All right. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.